Hi, my name is Brandon Mendoza, and I'm the head of sales at Odin Technologies. I'm excited to introduce our new solution, Process AI, which gives manufacturers the ability to predict quality and prescribe optimal process settings to maximize output and minimize cost. Let's begin by addressing a fundamental concern. Most manufacturers don't have the real-time quality monitoring they need and therefore sacrifice other areas of the process, such as speed, material, and energy usage, to ensure high quality. Often, they depend on post-production tests to determine final quality, which means they're reacting to quality issues instead of preventing them. In addition, it's difficult to correlate these offline quality results with real-time process data, making it hard to evaluate trade-offs. 5 to 20% is often lost across speed, material, and energy due to the reliance on tribal knowledge and lack of operator experience. I'm going to share an example from the paper industry and start by showing how real-time predictive recommendations are delivered to operators to maximize output, minimize costs, and ensure high quality. We're now in Process AI, live in the operator view. Process AI prescribes the most optimal process settings in comparison to the real-time conditions, while also calculating the cost savings opportunity to incentivize the operator to take action. These recommendations are specific to the product line combination and are often used after the run is up and running and the process is relatively stable. To enable this, we combine real-time process data coming from machines with the offline quality tests to develop a predictive model that can stream a prediction of your quality values on a second-by-second basis. Once the models are fully trained, these predictions are often accurate within plus or minus 5% of the actual quality test value. Each manufacturer has different quality tests, but in paper production, moisture content and paper strength are most important. For each of these, we can see the trend of our predictions for the last few hours combined with the last known quality tests, the current predicted value, and the target quality specification. The model also identifies the impact of various process levers, helping create trust in the system and guide what should be monitored and adjusted. To enable this, the system automatically identifies stable segments in time over the last 6 months, broken down in a scatter plot by cost and speed. The system shows the current run conditions compared to the most optimal recommendation. The recommendation is configured based on what outcome you're optimizing for and how this impacts quality. We found that conservative recommendations biased towards small changes develop trust, and consistent improvements make large impacts over time. Finally, when the operator starts applying the recommendations, the system automatically tracks the cost savings, giving a real-time incentive and creating healthy competition. In summary, Process AI allows manufacturers to deliver predictive quality and prescriptive recommendations to operators in an easy-to-use turnkey system. Process AI can be deployed in 3 months and will require minimal adjustments or manufacturing resources due to our automated model development workflow. We've seen this lead to a 3% increase in speeds and a 5% reduction in costs, giving over a 10x ROI. A business case can be developed by looking at the current level of process variance. Typically 1 to 3x reduction in standard deviation can be expected. If you're ready to understand how your plant could benefit from Process AI, get in touch with us about developing a process variance analysis based on your current performance. You'll come away with a stronger understanding of which of your core metrics can influence your bottom line the most. Learn more or contact us at odin.io.